Haribo. So we're here with Ananta Shanti Mataji. Sorry, Mataji. Shakti. Sorry. Shanti. Shanti is nice too. We're gonna cook something crazy for Krishna. The living monk Carob Ladus. Or ones of you who are not familiar, it's a Ladu, besan Ladu, chickpea Ladu, which is filled, stuffed with carob. I sent some to some of my subscribers already, these Ladus in the mail last month, I think. So I'm gonna make some more. Maybe one of you are gonna get some too. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Haribo. Okay, so what are the ingredients? This is very, very simple. There are, how many ingredients are here? We have carob, coconut oil or butter, whatever you use, doesn't matter. Besan, the most important ingredient. Chickpea flour. Before we continue, I just wanted to shout out to Daniela. Thank you so much for the besan, if you're watching this video. So this besan is thanks to her. Thank you, Daniela. You're the best. Hare Krishna. Even it's written here, Ladu. Then coconut, lots of coconut. Ladus like coconut, and Krishna likes ladus with coconut, because this is for Krishna. And we got the carob. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, and fennel seeds too. Fennel seeds. Thank you, Mataji. And the last thing we're gonna try to find is sugar. Let's see if there is any sugar here.
I know what sugar is.
Oh, okay. Wow, look at this huge bowl of sugar. All for Krishna. Oh my god, it's okay, you can leave it there. Prabhuji. It's okay, leave it, you can leave it there. It's okay. You want to put it here?
No, wait.
Sugar man.
Yeah.
Weiss Kinder. Weiss. Okay, big pot. I found exactly the pan we needed. I think it's called the pan. Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
So for this adventure, we're gonna need half a cup of coconut. On a medium flame, put it all and roast some fennel seeds. About a tablespoon. We're gonna be doing 2 cups of chickpea and chickpea flour. Shake it. And 2 cups of besan. Mix it well and see if you need any more oil or butter. Usually it melts twice. Once when you add the chickpea and then again while you're heating it up. So I'm gonna show you the consistency after it's toasted. Oh, you already know it's very similar to halwa. Basically, you toast the chickpea flour in butter or ghee or coconut oil like we do here today. And instead of adding water, you add coconut and sugar without water, and then you mix it all. And you're gonna see how it all looks like in a second. Hare Krishna. We're gonna need to make the carob mixture now, so I'm gonna need another pan and to melt the carob and freeze it. For 2 cups of chickpea, I would use 1 cup of carob, half and half proportion. You're gonna see in the rolling process how it looks like. Okay, we're gonna toast it a bit. So a little roasting, just so it mixes up. And the best actually oil to use for the carob is cacao butter. Cacao butter, it really tastes just like chocolate actually. But yeah, any butter, like butter. So just a tiny bit of water. You're gonna see how it's making the carob puff and turn it into one big, sort of like a dough. We already have to keep our senses intact because the smell of the carob is everywhere. Perfect. You want to have it like in this consistency before you freeze it. You freeze it and then we're gonna mix it together when it's done. Okay, this is gonna go in the fridge. Besan is on fire. We're gonna mix it very fast and it's gonna be ready in. So as soon as the chickpea flour is nicely roasted, you put about a cup coconut, shredded, grated flour, doesn't matter. As long as it's coconut, you're good. So now the part with the sugar. Usually devotees wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait a little bit, but not too long, because I found out that actually if you wait too long, the sugar doesn't mix properly with the chickpea. So I'm gonna wait just about half of the time for it to cool mildly, and then put some water just to make the dough stick and roll it. I'm gonna show you the proportions in a second. Hare Krishna. So just added 1 cup of sugar. So unfortunately for the water, I could never figure out the proportion for the water, but the consistency should be, you should add enough water so you can roll the ball basically, and it should have stick like this. I'm gonna show you the rolling process in a second. So as you can see, this is the consistency. You just add little by little water and you're gonna reach this point that you can squish it and mush it nicely and then roll it. And Bharat Prabhu is gonna help me with the rolling.
You're gonna see us rolling.
They're gonna hate us.
So we're gonna roll them.
Okay.
What do? You take a piece of chickpea, a piece of carob,
And we get my piece of
and you
carob
just
now.
squish them together.
Can I have my piece of carob now?
Yes. Here, come closer.
Alright.
Boom. And voila. He's done. Okay, test. You test,
We don't need to offer.
Oh, we already offered the whole thing. I rolled a little ball.
Oh,
Can I eat it? Okay, I give it to Mama and I eat it now.
So we have the first examination of the Ladu. Mataji, did Krishna like? Yes. Gopal, no, Damodar, did Krishna like? Did Krishna like the carob? Gopal. Oh, very good. So we're gonna continue rolling here with Bart. Thank you so much for watching the cooking episode with the monk. Ladus for the sadhus with carob. Hare Krishna.
No.